Hey y'all, I just wanted to make a quick update. While my dad's been in the hospital, I needed to get my mind off. So what did I do? I went to Marshall's. And look what Marshall's has. They have the Glamlite Kiss palettes. Those Hershey Kiss palettes that are so cute for $10.99. They have all the different ones. They have, what is this? Lava cake. They have the special dark chocolate, which purple, hello. The regular milk chocolate, and there was one other one I didn't get, but they also had this, the Frosted Flakes palette. So run to your local Marshalls, get this stuff, get the discounts. Now this Frosted Flake one was $16.99, but still, these palettes were a lot more expensive than that when they first came out. So cute. I'm so excited. I just wanted to share with you. Y'all have a wonderful day and God bless.